Hi, we're Mike and Sue from Closet Factory in Raleigh.
At Closet Factory, we custom design, manufacture, and install storage products for every room in your home. We do closets, obviously, but we also do home offices, bookshelves, entertainment centers, Murphy beds, pantries, laundry rooms, garages. Pretty much every room that we have a solution that can make that room work better for you.
How we typically work is we send our design consultants to your home to measure and take inventory. Right now, we can't do that, so we've adapted.
Now we use virtual design consultation. We use screen sharing technology and sometimes video call features of smartphones. And we do that same appointment without being in the same room.
To prepare for this design consultation, our designers are sending tools that you can be using to help prepare for the appointment. Tools to help you measure, to help take inventory, to learn about some of our design styles. And the design consultants will work with you to help solve your needs from both a design and organizational standpoint, but also from a budgetary standpoint.
Our clients have really been enjoying this process, and to be honest, our designers have as well. It allows them to spend a lot more time with the clients and less time driving. And it's great for the clients because they get to spend some time with someone outside of the house. And it's been going over really well. It's been a very quick adaptation for our designers.
Yeah, and once the clients and the designers come up with a solution that you really love, we can send that information into our manufacturing facility, which is right here in Apex.
We go through several design review steps in the process. Sue and I are both engineers by degree, so we look at things from a very methodical standpoint and make sure that we're achieving all the quality that we need to along the way. All of our products are manufactured right there in Apex with materials that are sourced locally whenever we possibly can. And then when it comes time for installation, we only use our own employees, so we can make sure that everything is installed to Closet Factory standards. It makes it really easy for us to stand behind our lifetime guarantee.
So if this sounds good to you and you'd like to set up a virtual design consultation, give us a call or visit our website.
It's at closetfactory.com.